It's Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of January the 8th to the 14th. And there is a little bit of magic and razzle dazzle to this ad. It's going to be an excellent week over at Walgreens. So the first thing that we're going to do, class, is go to your digital coupons folder. Check at the very top if you might have received a booster. I got the 10 back when you spend 50 on both of my accounts. A couple of rules for you guys. It is in that window of the 8th to the 14th. It's of a one-time use, and for the balance, do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards or it will mess everything up. Instead, use cash, your debit card or credit card, and yes, this stacks with a paper booster. A quick second to talk about Christmas clearance, and at my store there's a whole lot left. So the second wave is supposed to hit on Friday, January the 6th. So you might want to go to your store, moonwalk down the aisle and see if it's like 60, 70, 80, what is it? And then the third and final wave will be Friday, January the 13th. I'm anticipating 80% because that's as high as that's where they went last year. It didn't go 90 at Walgreens. It got boxed up after that and sent somewhere. So if you love Christmas, these are the dates to remember. The dealio that we're going to look at is the Crest Oral-B Those Good products at $4. Earn a $4 register reward when you buy two. Very interesting. So we are going to load this digital coupon, which is a $2 off. If you might also have a $2 off from the January P&G, you could throw one of those in as well. On your IBOTTA account, double, triple check that you have this rebate, $2 back for each brush, and you could do it twice. So that's really cool. Here's the math, guys. Grabbing two of those for $8, subtracting that $2 digital, you're paying $6, getting back a $4 register reward, getting $2 back twice from IBOTTA, that's $4 back. It makes it free and a $2 moneymaker. If you're doing this deal without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, and it's a bit of magic. That we're looking at is with the Dove deodorant. I'm like, what is that? Oof. $8 each, $4 reward when you buy two. On Sunday, we're going to have a $7.99 off a two digital coupon. So grabbing two of these, guys, it's $16 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $8.01. Getting back a $4 register reward, it makes it $4.01 for the two, $2 per deodorant. Check your Fetch Rewards account if there might be some rebates or something back for you on that. And if you're not doing this in concert with a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that register reward. That we're going to look at is food. We have $1.99 Cheerios, and that is a stock-up price if I've ever heard or seen of one. We're going to load this digital coupon, which is $1 off of two, and Cheerios, the first one listed. So grab two of those boxes. Check your IBOTTA account if you might have this rebate, which is 50 cents back per box. So you're going to get $1 back. Looking at the math for this, two of those boxes is $3.98. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're paying $2.98, making that dollar submission to IBOTTA. The final price point is $1.98 for the two, or 99 cents per box. You're doing this deal on its own without any booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, and it's just a terrific deal for some cheap cereal. The next deal that we're looking at is Aussie, $3 to $6. So we're going to grab two $3 shampoos and then $4 reward when you buy two. How lovely is that? And we're also going to have $1 off two digital coupon on Sunday. So grabbing two of these Aussies, that's $6 on the nose, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $5, get back a $4 register reward. It makes it $1 for the two, or 50 cents per. The week previous, they did this with the whole blends, and now it's Aussie. Isn't that wonderful, guys? If you are doing this without a booster, just buying the shampoo on its own, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn your register reward. But what a great deal, 50 cents 2 weeks in a row. I love this flyer this week. Now we're going to look at some non-deals of the week, including $10.99 Downy, Gain, Tide, Laundry Care, $6 register reward when you buy two. They are not messing around. Like, talk about generosity at its finest. And this is Tide products too. We're going to load this digital coupon. Unfortunately, Tide Liquid, I didn't have a digital, but maybe on Sunday, fingers crossed, we'll get that. Wouldn't that be nice? So grabbing two of these, it's $21.98. If you possibly have a booster like 5 back when you spend 20, it's a better deal, but this is still pretty good. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $18.98, get back your $6 register reward, making it $12.98 for the two, or $6.49 per. On a non-sales week, it's usually $12.49 for one of these Tide Pods. So, it's basically you're getting one for free. And again, if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, but this is a very good deal. And if digital coupons show up for the Gain, for the Bounce, for other little goodies, this could even be a better deal starting on Sunday. The next deal that we have is with the Tide Simply, Bounce, Downy, those good products, 4 for $9. I love when this deal pops up every once in a while. Grabbing 4 of the Tide Simplies for $9. Let's use one of those $4 store register rewards and $5 in Walgreens cash and pay down the tax. And if you're a newer couponer building your stockpile, this is a super smart deal. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance along with that store register reward. Deal that we're going to look at is BOGO free for the complete home products. I know that sometimes we get a buy one, get two for free, but if you are in need of sandwich bags or those big bags for food storage or freezing, this might be a deal for you. Grabbing 2 of the bags at $2.99 a pop, that's $5.98. If you might have a $4 store register reward from some of the deals I showed you at the beginning of the video, let's throw one of those in. And let's also throw in $2 in Walgreens cash, and you're paying the tax. And this is a stock-up price for these bags, if I've ever heard or seen of one. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at, unless you want to throw this into a deal with a booster like spend 10, get back 50, this one's kind of expensive. $3.99, $5 reward when you buy 4. And it's on the Gain. I believe Mr. Clean is included in Febreze, but those are a little bit more expensive products. So this is the cheapest one, and it's Dawn as well. For the Dawns, it's $15.96. You're getting back a $5 register reward, making it $10.96 for the 4 or $2.74 per. I would highly recommend, because there are no coupons right now for these products, to throw it into a basket like spend 50, get back 10 or something like that. That would be really smart. And there's some other items too, like Mr. Clean and Febreze. You might want to check that out as well. Okay, so the next deal that we're going to look at is with the Suave Body Wash at $2 a pop. Earn a $1 reward when you buy 2. Check your fetch rewards if there might be some sort of rebate for the Suave Body Wash. Grabbing 2 of these guys, that is $4 on the nose. You're going to get back that $1 register reward, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per. If you're doing this deal without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward, but a cheap body wash deal. Okay, the next one that we're going to look at, this is a little bit more, and I would definitely throw this one into some sort of a booster deal. $5 a pop, $5 reward when you buy 3. No digital coupons that I can foreseeably see for this guy. Grabbing 3 of these for $15, get back that $5 reward. It's like $10 for the 3 or $3.33 per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're not doing this in concert with a booster. Now let's look at some quick honorable mentions. The Arm & Hammer detergent is buy 1, get 2 for free, and typically that's like $7.49 for the first, or maybe they'll make it more, who knows. But this might be a deal for you if you want to stock up on Arm & Hammer. Now with Christmas clearance starting to go 70, 80 in the next couple of weeks. With the native deodorant, sometimes they have like eggnog and peppermint. And if that's on clearance, $5 reward or $5 of Walgreens cash when you buy 3. That might be one to check out and like pick up 3 clearance deodorants, and maybe you'll score big. Definitely keep an eye on this one. $3.99, $4 reward when you buy 2. If Palmolive or Colgate, that family, gives us a very generous coupon starting on Sunday, this possibly could be a freebie. I would really love to see that. We'll have to wait and see. The next deal, 2 for $8 for the Doritos Ruffles if you want to stock up. Go with your chips. We have a buy 2, get 1 for free on the various sodas, including Coca-Cola. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.